Have you ever sneezed when stepping into bright sunlight? You're not alone. This quirky reaction is known as the photic sneeze reflex, affecting about 18 to 35% of people. It happens when bright light hits your eyes, stimulating the optic nerve. But here's the twist. This stimulation can also trigger the trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing. So, in a flash of brightness, your brain gets a little mixed up and sends a sneeze signal. It's a fascinating example of how our bodies can respond in unexpected ways.